Ladies and gentlemen, hi, it is I, Marinyane Mokgethi, the founder of yenonlinelesotho.news.blog website. I am also the founder of Yen Online Lesotho YouTube channel. In this podcast, you are going to learn how to lose belly fat without any workout. Alright, let me see. What if the next day you woke up seeing that big tummy of yours flat? What I mean is that beautiful dress or trouser you no longer wear because of your fat or because your belly is no longer fitting inside that dress. You now realize that you can now wear it. How would you feel if that sexy figure is back and you no longer have to feel less confident? What I mean is that you can go for modeling or do whatever you love without being worried that people will mock you because you are fat. Now, what will you get out of listening to this podcast? If you feel like you want all of that is lose weight, my dear, don't go anywhere. You are going to learn how to lose that belly fat without doing any exercise or doing any workout. Like I said, I am Marinyane Mokgethi, the founder of Yen Online Lesotho. Before I proceed with this podcast, I want you to go on YouTube, search for Yen Online Lesotho, and then subscribe on my channel. With more subscribers, I get to grow. And if you love one of the videos I left there or I uploaded, I want you to leave us a like. Now, let us get back to what my aim with this product is. My aim with this product is to help people with big tummies or big bellies to lose that cholesterol fat or that fat that is causing you to be obese. I am going to help you to lose weight with an Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I remember I mentioned this product when I was talking about affiliate marketing products. Now, what is affiliate marketing? What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new kind of weight loss tonic supplement. It helps men and women burn fat fast using a simple 20-second Japanese tonic. You can buy this product using the link that is found in the description below this podcast. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is also a comprehensive weight management program that comes in different forms, that is books, audios and videos. But all in all, it is a drink which is accompanied with one of those materials, that is books, videos and audios. The purchased drink also comes with a 48-page manual on how to use the product. Where is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic originated? This product originated from the old principles about food and traditional dietary habits of the people of Okinawa, Japan. As a result of this, the creator of this product decided to upgrade those food traditions and habits. As we all know, Japan is a country where people have a high life expectancy. If I remember well, in most of the developing countries, our life expectancy is very low. Life expectancy is the maximum age a person is expected to live. For example, in Lesotho, because of poor hygiene, because of many diseases that are killing people, we are expected to live from 50 to 55 years. If you want to read more about the life expectancy, you can go to my blog yenonlinelesotho.news.blog. On the search bar that is found on the left of my sidebar, you can search for life expectancy. Then you will find everything you need to know about life expectancy in Lesotho. This product, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, is named after Japan's town, which is Okinawa. Who created Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The author and creator of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is Mike Banner. In the process of creating this product, Mike Banner did consult Okinawa doctor and Dr. Tomaki for advice. Now the question is, how does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic work? This product believes that the major root cause of fat is CRP, reactive protein. CRP is an inflammatory protein that can lead to many severe health problems such as diabetes, heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and obesity. According to Dr. Tomaki's explanation, CRP prevents our bodies from converting the food we consume into energy. Instead, it turns them to survival mode of our bodies. This signals metabolism to store fat cells that then shut them down, the fat-burning hormones. It is also believed that weight gain happens when the CRP disrupts the functionality of the mitochondria and switches off the hormone that is responsible majorly for metabolic activity. This hormone responsible for metabolism is called adiponectin. All this problem of CRP disruption leads to fat accumulation. Here is the most unfortunate thing: the more weight you gain, the higher the count of CRP goes. So, noticing the problem, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic aims at eliminating the CRP and enhancing the fat-burning hormone in our body. This makes it easy to lose weight. Okay, you may be wondering as to why I have to create a video regarding obesity. The answer lies here. Every single day I see people with big tummies and big bellies. In my mind, I be like, why the hell did this lady let her tummy to be this big? Or why the hell does this guy let his belly be this big? Is it not hindering him to do certain things like being flexible, being able to do things fast? I don't really like people with big bellies and big tummies. People who are obese are at a higher risk of arthritis, cancer, heart disease, and brain attack. This is why today I am reviewing this awesome product which I recommend you to try. So, how long does it take for Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic to work? It doesn't really take a long time for this drink to work. Within a period of 30 days, you will start to see a change you desire, that is weight loss or lose weight. For this drink to work perfectly, it has to be consumed before 10 a.m. Many people, I am sure, wonder whether this product works. The answer is yes, it works. If you don't believe it, why do Japanese live longer? That is where the answer lies, man. If you think I am lying, why do Japanese have a higher life expectancy? That is because they consume Okinawa tonic belly, or they use other products which help in maintaining their body to live longer. And another reason why Japanese live longer is because some of the ingredients included in this drink are consumed by Japanese on a daily basis. Now let's get back to the health benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Number 1, it helps with a speedy belly fat. Now what am I saying? Health benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic: speedy belly fat burning. 2, speedy weight loss. 3, a daily energy boost. 4, improved focus. 5, overall health. 5, better sleep. 6, enhance libido. 7, pain reduction. 8, detoxification. 9, it maintains healthy blood pressure. 10, it maintains blood cholesterol. 11, and the last one, it maintains blood sugar, which causes high blood pressure and diabetes. So what do you stand to gain when you use Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? You feel free to wear whatever you want without people gawking at you as to what this fat balm comes from. You are confident when you don't have a big tummy or a big belly. You can work freely without worrying that when you bend you will feel discomfort. One major advantage of flat belly is during lovemaking. You don't get tired easily. You feel good when your body figure is looking great. You can walk a long distance without breathing heavily. And the last one is that it lowers down the risks of diseases. Now, what are the ingredients of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic ingredients are a mixed bunch because of its powdered form. Much customization can be done when making a supplement of its degree. Indeed, there are many ingredients found in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. There are so many that we will divide this podcast into 3 parts in order for me to access them easily. With that being said, let me get started on the ingredients that are found in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The first one is polyphenol blend. Polyphenols are antioxidants that give a much more powerful effect than vitamin C and vitamin E. In general, these are life-saving compounds that eliminate free radicals from our blood while making our immune system much stronger from external threats such as viruses and bacteria. Polyphenols are essential components of every human being. Our bodies were heavy with polyphenols when we were heavily focused on a fruit-based diet. This supplement in general consists of 2.150 milligrams of polyphenols in each serving. To specify which ingredients comprise Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic's polyphenols blend are cherry fruit, carrots, papaya, Aranoia berry extract, green mango, mulberry fruit, European black currant fruit extract, apple, beetroot, cranberry fruit extract, acai fruit extract, strawberry fruit, grape skin extract, blueberry fruit concentrate, pomegranate, blackberry, acerola fruit extract, red raspberry extract, pineapple extract, orange cantaloupe, grape, watermelon, hibiscus, lemon and peach. Now, what are the disadvantages of having a big belly or having a big tummy? It becomes difficult to pick up something from the floor or on the ground. You cannot run freely for a longer time without having to grasp for breath. It tarnishes your body figure. Your chances as a lady to be chosen in a modeling gig. Inability to fit in clothes. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is the only tonic drink supplement on the market designed for weight loss. It's not a pill, capsule like you see everywhere on the internet. That's what makes it unique. If you are tired of that big belly, please purchase this Okinawa drink using my link below in the description. Okay, now we have reached the end of this podcast about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. So, do you know a friend of yours who is having a big tummy or a big belly? Or your parent is having issues regarding a big belly or a big tummy? If you answered yes to these questions, my friend, what are you waiting for? Just place your order using the link on the description below this podcast. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe on my channel for future videos and podcasts that will help you with many other health related products. Until next time, ciao.